As Cody is the manager, he can view all the unoffered work items in the global list. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about configurable unallocated work item visibility. The ability to configure the visibility of unallocated work items by process participants. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So here's the flash animation for configurable unallocated work item visibility. We start the animation and we can first see Cody's view. So Cody is the manager and he can see all the work items in the global list. So he can see prepare defense, clean room, conduct interview, make bed and gather evidence. And these are work items that are offered either to Laura or Josh. So let's see what Laura sees. Laura sees she's a worker. She can only view the work items in the global list that she has potential to be allocated to. So she has clean room and make bed offered here. And last but not least, Josh's view. As Josh is a worker, he can only view the work items in the global list that he has the potential to execute. So this is the flash animation. In YAWL, we can implement this with a user privilege called View Org Groups Work Items. So here we have several windows. We start with the editor. There are actually two workflow specifications. One is called defense and it consists of 3 tasks: gather evidence, conduct interview and prepare defense. And gather evidence is offered by the system to the lawyer role, and conduct interview and prepare defense are not offered by the system, so they will remain unoffered in the first place. And the other specification is called hotel, and it consists of make bed and clean room. And the first task here is automatically offered by the system to a role called cleaner, and the second one is left unoffered. Let's now look at the participants. We have 3 participants called Cody, Josh and Laura. And if we look at Cody, Cody is an employee. He doesn't have any of these roles, cleaner or lawyer. He's just an employee, but he has the privilege view org groups work items, and we will see in a moment what this is good for. Josh is an employee and has the role lawyer, and Laura is an employee and has the role cleaner. If we go to the org data here, we have these 2 roles, cleaner and lawyer, with members Laura and Josh. And we have positions here. The position called employee has 3 participants, Cody, Laura and Josh. And these employees all belong to the org group called company. So they are all belonging to the company. And that's why you will see that when we execute the workflows that Cody, with his privilege of seeing work items, will be able to do so. So we go to the case management now, or we can also go to the admin work list, and we can see the work items from the administrator's perspective. And here we have the work list of Josh and Laura, and the work list of Cody is empty. So Cody can now, because of his privilege, go to my team's work list, and there is a message: you don't have anyone reporting to you. This is because we are currently in the Teams tab, and there are no teams at the moment. So we have to go to the Org Group tab. Now you can see all the offered work items for the members of this org group. And if we start working on these work items like this. This list is refreshed and you can see not only the offered work items but also the allocated and started work items can be seen. Let's now complete this work item and also this one. Now you can see gather evidence and make bed are still here. If we refresh the admin work list, we can see now there are 2 new unoffered work items. That's because we didn't offer them automatically. And if we refresh Cody's org group view here, we can see that he can still see the offered work items for Laura and Josh, but he cannot see the unoffered work items. This is something only the administrator can see at the moment. The YAWL specification that I've used here is in the supplementary material. I'll put a link to this in the description below. Thank you for watching.